Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura Bruno, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recipe for brownies. They're so delicious, so let's get started. To make these delicious brownies, you need 1/2 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The first thing you want to do is to preheat your oven to 350. Then you need a 9x9 baking pan, and I sprayed mine and put the parchment paper on top. It's easy cleanup. You just lift it out. So that's why I do it this way. So in a bowl, I'm going to be adding the butter and the sugar. And you're just going to whisk this until it's smooth. Once that's smooth, you're going to be adding the eggs and the vanilla. And you're just going to mix this in. So once you have this all mixed, I'm going to be adding in the flour, the cocoa powder, the oil, and the salt. And you're just going to mix this. So once you have it mixed, the last ingredient is the chocolate chips. Just put that in. And you're just going to mix this. So once you have it all mixed, you put it into your 9x9 pan. And you spread it out. So once you have it all spread out and it's even, I'm going to be putting more chocolate chips on top. This is optional, but I like the chocolate chips on top, so I'm using like 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. So now it's ready to be put into the oven, so it's going to cook for like 30 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like when I take it out. So I just took the brownies out of the oven. They did cook about 30 minutes, and you can test it by taking a toothpick and inserting the toothpick, and if it comes out clean, that means it's finished. So I'm going to let this cool maybe about 10 minutes, and then I'll take it out of the pan. So now I'm going to take a sharp knife and just make sure that the brownies aren't sticking. And I'm going to be taking it out of this pan. So you're just going to lift it out of the pan. Look, easy cleanup. So next, with a sharp knife, you're going to make your cuts on the brownie. It smells so good. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be serving it with some vanilla ice cream on top. And here you have it, homemade brownies with vanilla ice cream on top. It's so delicious. Okay guys, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.